Wondering what marjoram essential oil is good for? In this video, I'm going to share with you some usage tips, some fun facts, and what marjoram blends well with. I'm Mandy Sommers, an essential oil educator and enthusiast. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. I've been teaching about the power of essential oils for the last 9 years, and I'm really excited to share with you all about marjoram essential oil. Stick around to the end and you will have the chance to grab my free essential oil usage guide with 100 essential oils and their traditional uses. Now, before I jump into this video, I always like to ask my audience, how do you like to use marjoram essential oil? Share it in the comments below so that we can learn from you as well. Let's jump right in. Herbaceous, warm, and a woody scent. Marjoram is well known as an herb for cooking. As an essential oil, marjoram has additional purposes though. It can be taken internally to support healthy cardiovascular and immune support. It is soothing to the skin and the muscles when massaged into tired and stressed areas, and it has a positive effect on the nervous system. So how do you use marjoram essential oil? Marjoram can be used aromatically, topically, and internally, and can be applied neat to the skin. One of marjoram's benefits is its positive effects on the nervous system. For internal use, take a couple of drops in liquid or in a veggie capsule. To experience a calming aroma, you can diffuse marjoram or inhale it from your hands. You can also check out my diffuser blend recipes for marjoram right here in the cards or in the description below. Topically, you can apply it to the back of your neck or your pulse points, and you can also experience it aromatically at the same time using it this way. Marjoram's aroma is sweet and herbaceous. It's pleasant and calming. It's relaxing and it lessens feelings of stress. So where does marjoram come from? Indigenous to the Mediterranean, specifically southern Turkey and Cyprus, marjoram was a symbol of happiness to the Greeks and the Romans. In warm climates, marjoram is a perennial and will continue to grow year after year. Whereas in colder climates, it won't survive the winter and it must be harvested, dried, and replanted annually. doTERRA sources marjoram essential oil in Europe. Marjoram is an herb used commonly in the culinary world. It lends itself well to savory dishes like meats, vegetables, and soups. Marjoram is sometimes confused with oregano, but the two herbs, although both from the mint family, are distinct. The flavor of marjoram intensifies when it's dried, but the essential oil steam distilled from the leaf is the most potent of the plant. If you are using marjoram essential oil in your cooking, always start with a toothpick amount, and then you can increase the amount if desired. Marjoram blends well with basil, lemon, serenity, cypress, rosemary, and aroma touch essential oil. Here's a couple fun facts about marjoram essential oil. When used as a dyeing herb, marjoram gives wool a purplish color and linen a reddish brown color. In Germany, the marjoram herb is known as the goose herb because it's traditionally used in roasting geese. Okay, so those are my tips about marjoram essential oil. As promised, it's freebie time. I'm excited to give you the chance to grab my free essential oil usage guide with common uses and so much more. Click the link in the description below, put your email in, and it will show up in your email box in no time. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to check out some of my other videos that are all about essential oils and diffuser blends. Hit that subscribe button, and please reach out to me if you would like a free wellness consultation, or if you're interested in learning how to get your essential oils at 25% off. Have a wonderful day. Bye.